What does Greenscreens do?
So Greenscreens.ai is a predictive pricing platform for the truckload spot market today. That's where we're focused, North American truckload brokerage operations. And again, it's predictive pricing. So it's really looking at not what was the market doing last week, 3 days ago, 3 weeks ago, but really what is the market doing today, tomorrow, and next week, really focused on the short-term market. And what we're really giving to our customers is a personalized prediction that is really based on their company and their individual buying power and buying behavior in the market as compared to the market conditions, right? So kind of leveraging those two things through big data, AI, and machine learning.
Talked to you a few times offline and on my podcast about dynamic pricing, and I say this not just to be nice, but I feel like we're in a place of haves and have-nots when it comes to logistics. I think companies that are leveraging the technology that's out there, like dynamic pricing, are going to win. And I think the rest are not going to win. I mean, and we can do it the old-fashioned way, which is I go down the hall and I ask, hey, you've done that lane a few times. How much should that cost? The tribal knowledge way.
Right.
And you can still have your tribal knowledge, but why not have tribal knowledge along with some pricing that has gone through AI and machine learning that says, here is the right price to charge. Here's what you should pay.
That's absolutely right, Joe. And when you and I first started talking about this a couple of years ago, it was a very different freight market than it is today, right? We were seeing historically high rates. Capacity was really constrained. The market has really turned now, but having this type of technology and business intelligence really is even more important maybe in this type of down market than it was in the market that we were seeing 2 years ago with the high prices, right? And, back then it was about how do I make sure I don't lose money? Now it is how am I capturing as much business as possible because there's less business to go around. So how do I improve my win rate and how do I make sure I'm making the maximum margin on the business that I do win, right? And we've seen with our customers year over year improvements in all of those metrics. And, I think it's a productivity issue too. Unfortunately, we see a lot of companies laying people off right now, going to more lean operations, and having a solution like this allows you to kind of take some of that knowledge of that 10, 15, 20-year veteran, the person down the hall that you would go to and say, how would you price this lane? And really help more of your less experienced people get the same level of knowledge at their fingertips.